Hey everybody, it's Alec with Revival Cycles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install an LED headlight onto your vintage motorcycle, or your modern motorcycle, whichever you have that has an incandescent bulb. There are definitely benefits for using an LED over a regular incandescent headlight. They use less power, they're brighter, they last longer, all that good stuff. And when you have these old bikes that have old wiring and the charging systems aren't that good, every little bit helps, right? So, I will be installing the headlight onto this Moto Guzzi, but it's a plug and play. I'm just showing you basically how easy it is to do. There's nothing to be scared of. Here we go. All right. All right, got the bezel off. All headlights are different, but not really. You'll see. Sometimes they pop out with a screw up top. Sometimes the bezel holds them into place. I'm sure you know your motorcycle by now. Okay, this one's held in with this rubber seal. Super simple. This has got a plug-in right here. Hold it. New one literally just plugs in. Make sure it's right side up, because it does matter as far as high beam and low beam go. It's centered. Back in it. Low, high, simple enough. Pretty simple, right? It's a good upgrade for your motorcycle. You can help see, it'll help you see, helps you see better, helps people see you better. It's kind of a win-win. You can buy this exact headlight on our website, revivalcycles.com. Comes in this cool little box. Yeah. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you really think. Thanks for watching. Bye.